This is how you put the Samsung washer into diagnostic mode, or diagnostic test. Power the delay till it goes to 17. Hold start button, hold it down. Once you see that, hit the start button and it'll run through all the cycles and hopefully show us the error code on this machine. This particular machine goes through the cycles, the wash cycle, and just pauses and doesn't spin or anything. There it is. That's a motor communication error, so it could be one of like 3 things. But that's how you put it in diagnostic mode.